Hey everybody, I am coming on really quickly to share with you guys a awesome deal I could not tell you guys. Blitzy.com is having 40% off everything in the store, and you also get free shipping US over $49 and international free shipping over $99. So I highly recommend that you take advantage of this. There is some awesome deals. Distress oxide inks if you wanted to get your hands on those. Let's see. Let's just kind of browse just for a second, just because. Let's see. New arrivals. Let's see what's new in the shop. So Deep Blue Sea collection, Graphic 45, stamps, Photoplay, Kaiser Craft, Tim Holtz, Tonic Studios. I mean, these prices, I don't think you can beat really anywhere. So I highly recommend. Oh my gosh, that stamp is so cute. Oh, that's cute. I highly recommend popping on over here and checking it out. The link is in the description box, and that is all I wanted to share with you guys. So I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you are planning on taking advantage of this, or if you are like me and on a spending freeze. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. And I want to thank you guys again, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.